Hi, good morning, all of you. My name is Mahesh Lambade. Today we are going to learn very important topic components of OpenOffice Calci. So first component is menu bar. So let's see. First of all, start the OpenOffice Calci. Then click on spreadsheet. Double click on it. See, this is the interface of OpenOffice Calci. This is the menu bar: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, windows and help. These are the menu present on OpenOffice Calci. Menu bar contain the list of menu. For example, this one, when you click on file, you will see the new, open, recent document, wizard, close, save as. These are the menu present inside the file menu. By using new, you can open new file, and by using open, you can open any file which is available in your OpenOffice Calci. This is the shortcut key, Control plus O. Then recent document. By using this, you can open recently created documents. Okay. Then close, save. By using save, you can save the documents, save as. This is the shortcut key, Control plus Shift plus S. By using this, you can select or save the particular file at a particular location. And these are the export as PDF. You can create as PDF file, and by using send, you can send this file on email. Okay. So these are the menu present in file. The second option, edit. When you click on, these are the option present: cut, copy. Okay, select all. These are the option present inside the edit. View. By using view, you can view your file normal, then page break view, then for toolbar, formula toolbar. These are the, you can view the particular bar by using this view. Okay. Then format. These are the option present inside the format. By using this, you can format the cell, row, column, sheet. Okay. And this one is alignment. By using this, you can select the left alignment, right, center, justify, top, down, bottom alignment. These are the options present inside the format. See this one too. These are the option present: spelling, language, detective. These are the option present inside the tool. Then data. Then define range, select range, sort, filter. These are the option present inside the data. Okay. These are the menu bar. I hope you understand the menu bar. Menu bar contains the menu in drop down list format. Only name are available on menu bar: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, data, windows. These are the menu. Okay. Then second important point is standard toolbar. So what is meant by standard toolbar? Listen. This is the standard toolbar. Okay. This one is open, save as, come. cut copy paste, this one cut copy paste, then PDF. These are the standard toolbar. Standard toolbars means the graphical menu or small size of menu present on the standard toolbar. Okay, what is difference between menu bar and standard toolbar? Menu bar contains only drop down list of menu, only name is there, but in standard toolbar the graphical view or icon present on the standard toolbar. Okay, these are the standard toolbar. I hope you understand the standard toolbar. Okay, directly and one more thing, when you click on that, move your mouse cursor on that, it will show the name of particular standard menu bar. Okay, so this is new. Okay, this one open, this is save, then document as email. When you move your mouse cursor, it will show his name. Okay, then third one, formatting toolbar. This is very important. By using this you can format your cell. So where it is, this is the formatting toolbar. This one you can format the name and select the design of the particular name. For example, here see, this name I have to format. Just select it and you can change the this one. Okay, then you can increase the value. First of all, select it, and by using this you can increase the value. Okay, then by using this you can bold a particular text. See, italic, then underline, you can underline the particular word. Then okay, these are the alignments: left alignment, alignment, center alignment, right, these are the right alignment, justify alignment. These are the option present on the formatting toolbar. Okay, by using this you can change the color of particular, you can change the background color, and by using this you can change the font color also. See, understand, by using this you can change the background color, any you can change the background color, and by using this you can change font color, means alphabet color. These are the colors are available. The next point, formula toolbar. So this is the formula toolbar. Okay, these are the formulas. Okay, by using this you can count some value. For example, here I'm typing 10, and second one 20. Okay, here total. So if you want to use the formula, just equals to, then sum in bracket, this option special character, then select this one, then okay, within that select the first one, then press Ctrl, then select second one. Okay. Then press enter. So see, the count is 30. So the count. If you enter any formula in first cell, you can use automatic in the second cell. Before that, you must to select the first cell and drag it. Okay, this is the sum formula. By using this, you can use the formula toolbar to see which formula we use here is equals to sum. This is the cell name A4, then colon B4. We will discuss about that later. These are the four important components of OpenOffice Calc. First one is menu bar, second one is standard toolbar, third one is formatting toolbar, and fourth one is formula toolbar. I hope you understand this point. Menu bar contains list of menu. It contains only name. For example, file, edit, view, window, tool, help. These are the menu bar. Standard toolbar contains smallest icon of particular menu. Then formatting toolbar, by using you can format the text. And formula toolbar, the formula toolbar is used to count a particular value by using some formulas, like find out mean, minimum number, find out maximum number, find out average value. Okay, we will discuss about that in next session. I hope you understand. Okay, thank you.